Alright, all, so if you're here, then you click create classes, and so I'm going to go ahead and make sure I'm logged in. And when you go to create your class, you will go ahead and click down at the bottom here, this plus sign for students. They ask you if you want to use a Google account or email address. Since I teach first and second grade, you don't have those, we're going to click no. I don't have experience with the older kids, so fifth, sixth grade, you might want to talk to each other about which route you want to run with in regards to this. So I'm going to click no and click there, sharing devices, maybe with siblings. If you click this and they actually have a one-to-one device, it's going to be fine. So then you can go ahead and start typing names in. I was envisioning putting their first and last name. I'm not going to complete all of these, but I'll click the screen button. I can go in and add students later here. It says you can sign students in. This code though expires, and so I'm going to show you another way to create login codes in just a moment. But yeah, that's how to set up your class.